Hello guys, myself Shubham Chachan. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see a new kind of problem which is nothing but Zener diode with BJT biasing. We are given with all these numeric values in the question. Base to emitter voltage is given, beta is given and Zener voltage is given. We have to find the particular output voltage here. Okay. So first we will see the step-by-step solution I will give you. So first we will see it for this part. Transistor number 2, this is grounded. Okay, so here it is 50k, 30k. This is grounded. Please replace this ohm into kilo ohms because it will be easier for you to calculation. For calculation, 0.22k. This is transistor number 1, transistor number 2. Okay, so I will solve this first with the Zener if it is operating in breakdown region or not. Okay, this is our P terminal, this is our N terminal. Plus of minus 0.7 volt, plus of minus 0.7 volt. Okay, so if you can see here, it is positive of 25 volt in the P terminal, or you can see 0.7 volt in the P terminal, and this is grounded as an N terminal. So if it will be in the breakdown region, and it will replace with a battery of 8.3 volts here. Okay, so it will get replaced by 8.3 volts of battery. The Zener is in breakdown region. I will make this string also 20k. This is our V0. This will be 50 kilo ohms, and this is also grounded. Okay, so this is our 20 kilo ohms and this is 50 kilo ohms. We have to find the V0 voltage, that is output voltage we have to find, and Zener is in breakdown region. I will replace this with a battery of 8.3 volt. So this is 8.3 volt. You can mark it, the terminal you can mark it as a V1, and this is your V0. This is also your V0. Okay, so if I will apply this as in voltage divider rule. Firstly, this V1 is nothing but 9 volt. You can see 0.7, 8.3 V1 there, 9 volt it will be come out. 0.7 plus 8.3 equals V1. So V1 comes out to be 9 volt. If we apply this KVL, or you can say voltage dividing rule here, so we will get V0 minus 9 volt by 20 kilo equals 9 by 30 kilo. So 30k V0 minus 9 into 30k equals 9 into 20k. Okay, 9 into 20k. So 9 plus 9 30k V0 equals, if we simplify this, nine into 30 plus 9 into 70, 9 into 20, 450 divided by 30. So it will come out to be 15 volts. Okay, the output voltage is nothing but 15 volts here. Now we will check the current also. If we see here, the current is 15 divided by 50, which is nothing but 0.3 milliamps. Here it is V0 minus V1, that is nothing but 15 minus 9 divided by 20. It's also here 0.3 milliamps. Okay, so this 2 is 0.3 milliamps, and this string will be 0 milliamps because it will cancel each other. V1 is nothing but 9 by 30. Here is also 0.3 milliamp. And if we see this, so in this terminal it is 0 milliamps, because if we solve as, or if we require 0.3 milliamp, then it will be in negative part, but here it is in 0 milliamps, so all balanced. So our final answer is V0 equals to 15 volts. Thank you. Please like and share, and also subscribe my channel to see such kind of videos. Thank you very much.